You gonna stop? You gonna stop? Stop. Oh, Jewel. Ew. Yucky. Why is he stepping backwards?
I don't know.
He's getting ready to run. Ready? Go! Who is that guy, Miles? He's so cute, huh? Stomp! There goes the Jewel again. Oh, he drooled on the counter.
Miles, are you a stomper?
Oh, he's a farter.
Oh, it stinks. Oh, it stinks.
Your fart smells so bad.
At least we're in the bathroom this time.
So bad.
Miles,
Doesn't
who's
smell
that
good
guy?
anymore.
Who's that guy in the mirror?
Who's this guy? Some kind of stinky boy, I bet, huh? Does this guy want to be a parrot? Do you want to be a parrot? Eddie? You're a parrot! Yar! You're my parrot.
You're a parrot and Dad is a pirate.
I go arr, and you go.
Caca!
I don't think that's a parrot.
Caca! What's that, Miles? This is a camera. Now you're all shy.
How'd you get up so high? Did you climb up there? Did you climb up there? You're so tricky with the drool on your lip.
Okay, Miles, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye.